Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the SITERWELL carbon monoxide detector. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so once we get this box open here, it's well sealed. Lots of instructions. Make sure you read them, understand how this all works. I'm going to walk you through some basics of it. It's got a backup battery spot. All right, so be aware of that with some information there. Once we put this in. So one of the keys that I did here is I removed that little warning. I'm not sure if you're supposed to or not. I'm just telling you that's what I did. Let's try and set this up. And got a beep. All right, so once you plug it in, it should give you that green light. And you just turn that, hold that button on top to test it, and it'll kind of just turn red. And then we silence it by hitting it again. And once we hit that green, we know we're in good shape. So this thing's awesome. So you know, it's important to keep around the house to make sure your carbon monoxide levels are low. And if they do get high, then you need to be alerted. And this alarm will do that. So hopefully this review helps. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.